Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, welcome back to another video. This video we are going to look at the first task of the PT core test, summarize written text. In this video, what we are going to look at, we are going to look at the marking criteria, what the task is about, how you have to practice, which is the right template, and what are the shortcuts which you need to follow in this particular task so that you don't have to work too hard and you can get your desired scores in the shortest period of time. This is all what I am going to share in this video, and by the end of this video this task is going to be super duper easy for you. Let's get into the video. I'll request you to take notes so that you don't have to watch the video again and again and you save your time and your money as well. Alrighty, let me share the screen. There it is. So the very first task of the writing module in PT core is summarize written text. Remember this thing. What happens here, you'll get a passage or text on your screen which will be around 200 words in length. You'll have to read the passage and summarize the passage in 10 minutes. You have to write the summary between 25 to 50 words. This task will give you points in reading and writing modules both. You'll have 1 to 2 summarized written text questions in your test. You get 2 points for content, 1 for form, 2 for your grammar and spellings, and 2 for your vocabulary. This is how your screen is going to look like. This is the text you have, and then you have to write down your answer over here. You have to write down your answer between 25 to 50 words. Um, and then you have 10 minutes to write down your answer. You get 2 points for your content. To get 2 points out of 2, what you need to make sure. See, I'm telling you again, right? Summarize written text, there's no fixed answer, there's no right or wrong answer. Everything is being marked by a computer. So how will a computer check if you have written the right answer? Let's say this passage is given to 100 different students and all the students have given the right response. No two students will have the same summary. Some of you will have your main topic as something else. Some of you will have your main topic as something else, right? So there's no fixed answer. Your job is not to write the actual summary. Your job is to satisfy the marking criteria. That's what I did in my test, which I've recently taken, and I've got 19 reading, 19 writing, 19 all the modules as well, right? So I'm going to share, I'm not really going to tell you how you have to summarize the passage. I'm going to tell you how you have to get the scores in PT. And if you follow this, 100% you're going to get the scores. All right. So you get 2 points for your content. To get 2 points out of 2, you need to make sure you have 5 to 6 keywords from the passage in your answer. Now, what are keywords? Keywords are important words, words which are being repeated again and again, words which are important, words which are related with the main topic. For example, financial investment, personal finance, individuals, wealth over time, diversification, fundamental principle, investment, diversified portfolio, risk tolerance, older investors, all these things, right? So if you include all these things in your, not all, but yes, 5 to 6 keywords, 5 to 6 important words from the passage in your answer, you will get full points in your content. Now you get 1 point for form. To get 1 out of 1, you need to make sure you write between 25 to 50 words. If you write more than 50 words or less than 25 words, you'll get 0 in form. Remember this thing. And if you get 0 in form, there will be no further marking. You're going to get 0 in both the modules here as well. Then you get 2 points for grammar and spellings. It's pretty simple. If there's one grammar or spelling mistake, a major one, you get 1/2. If there are more than one, major spelling or grammar mistakes, you get 0/2. 2 points for vocabulary. You don't really have to worry about this. You have to just use academic words, and the passage is already academic, so you don't stress about it. Now, how you have to do it? I want you to write 2 to 3 sentences. In PT Academic, there is a condition that you have to only use one full stop. But in PT Core, there's no such situation. You can write as many as sentences and as many as full stops. I need you to write 2 to 3 sentences. You have to write between 25 to 50 words. I'll recommend you write anywhere around 40-45 words. You're not expected to cover everything, just the main keywords, key points. I've told you satisfy the marking criteria, that's your job. And yes, you can use the same phrases, words from the passage. Now, what is the method? You have to select or find out 2 to 3 important sentences from the passage and use this format. Write first sentence as it is from the passage, whichever you think is important. Put a full stop, use furthermore F capital, comma, second sentence which you think is important. Full stop, also A capital, comma, third sentence which you think is important. Let's say you have written the second sentence and over here only you are around 44 words, right? So you don't really need to write the third sentence because if you write the third sentence, you'll exceed the word limit. So it's better you just stop over here. So what do I want you to do? I want you to focus on selecting or finding out 2 to 3 important sentences. Important sentences are sentences with good keywords, and use this format. All right. Now, what I've done over here, I've given you a sample answer. Most of the time, first sentence will be important because that will introduce the main topic. This is the passage and this is a sample answer. I've written first sentence as it is till overtime, full stop. Furthermore, then I've started from a diverse portfolio can cushion losses. Um, from here till here. Then I had the word limit. I've written around 43 words here, I guess. Then also, comma, patience and discipline are the key to achieving long-term financial success. Why I've selected this sentence? Because one keyword, two keyword, another keyword, and the sentence is pretty, comparatively short as well, so that I don't really exceed the word limit. And this is what you need to do in order to get full points in summarized written text. Now, this might sound very easy for you and kind of, surprising for you that what is this guy talking about? Is this even going to work? See, this works. This has worked for us over the last 6 years. We've been teaching PT. I have used this in my test recently, PT core, which I've taken. I've got 90. This will work if you select important sentences with important keywords. Do not exceed the word limit. Write between 25 to 50 words. Make sure there are no grammar and spelling mistakes. 100% you will get your desired scores. You don't really need to worry about anything else. If you do so, you will get your desired scores, and without working hard. I don't really want you to work hard. I want you to work smart. We invest a lot of money into experimenting a lot of strategies and everything, and I don't really want you to waste your time and money. Now, a lot of you might be thinking, where do we practice these? To practice and see if you're doing it the right way or not, you just register on languageacademy.com.au, log in over there, go to PT core, and then you can practice these questions. See how much you're scoring and what are the things you're missing out on, so that you don't repeat the same mistakes again and again. Also, a request, before you actually go for the test, I want you to take a full scored mock test available on languageacademy.com.au, so that you have a clear idea of what mistakes you're making in the test, in the mock test, so that you don't repeat the same mistakes in the actual test and get your desired scores in the shortest period of time. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. This works. Don't stress about it. If you want me to cover any other topic, let me know about that as well. If the video was helpful, do like, share, and subscribe. Share it with your friends as well, so that along with you, they can get their desired scores. And if you ever get your desired scores watching my videos, do let me know. That is something I work for, and that is something which will keep me going on. Varun from Language Academy. I'll see you very soon. Now go on languageacademy.com.au, register, practice. If you need classes, we provide online classes for PT Core. We have got a lot of students in Canada, in US, in UK as well. You can contact us on these numbers, and our team will be with you, and we'll make sure you don't waste your time and money and get your desired scores in the very first go. Also, we've got our branches in India, in Australia, and Nepal as well. You can visit any of our branches, and we'll be more than happy to help you. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. If I've done it, you can do it as well. Don't stress. Do not give up. Just play smart, crack PT, and move on. And now go on languageacademy.com.au.